Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where learning English is fun and inspiring. In today's video, we're going to learn the present perfect continuous tense, but not with boring grammar rules. We'll learn through a motivational story that shows the power of dreams, dedication, and believing in yourself. And in part 2, I'll explain the useful phrases from the story and we'll do a fun repeat after me practice together. So stay tuned, learn with the story, speak with confidence, and grow every day. Let's begin. Part 1. Motivational story using present perfect continuous. Title: She has been chasing her dream. Story: Meet Ria. For the past 5 years, she has been working day and night to become a professional dancer. She has been practicing her moves even when she felt tired. While others rested, she has been building her strength and skills. Many people asked, "Why don't you quit?" But she always said, "I have been dreaming about this since I was a child." Now, her dream is finally coming true. She got selected for a national dance show. Her hard work and dedication show what can happen when someone has been believing in themselves. Part 2. Phrases plus repeat after me practice. Phrases from the story with meanings. Has been working, meaning she started working in the past and is still working. Repeat after me. She has been working hard every day. 2. Has been practicing, meaning she started practicing before and continues doing it. Repeat after me. She has been practicing her moves. 3. Has been building, meaning she is growing her strength over time. Repeat after me. She has been building her strength. Have been dreaming, meaning her dream started long ago and still continues. Repeat after me. I have been dreaming of success. 5. Has been believing, meaning she always had belief and still does. Repeat after me. He has been believing in himself. Repeat each sentence 3 times to improve your speaking. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment below with one sentence using the present perfect continuous tense. And if you want more motivational stories to improve your English, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Practice daily, believe in yourself, and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.